How to Draw Cartoons with John-Marc. Hey, it's John-Marc again, and thanks for checking out this video. Well, today we're going to actually try something really uniquely different. I'm going to share with you how to create some fun cartoon poses, and I want you to continue after you see the pose laid out to the clothing, the shape of the face, and the however you want to add on to it, should I say. So what I'm doing here is building the little shape. So feel free to pause the video and to sketch it out. I have the head, I have the body, and I have the legs right now. And I'm creating the crosshair for the face, so you can see the angle. He's looking more to his far right, but his body is angled, as you can see. This rotation more to the left. Give him some personality. So his arm is going to be on his hip here, and as well as the other side. So you're going to see this side of his hand. So what I want you to do is you finish creating this character. He could be a superhero, he could be a guy in medieval times, or he could be a clown for all that matter. But I wanted to show how you can create a simple pose and change it to many different shapes. And it may not even have to be a person. It could be a bear, a standing bear, or a standing elephant. You know, you can totally take whatever character you want to do. So I created in this video 2 simple poses in different perspective as well. I'm just putting on the little nose there and the eye there so you can see the direction of his body, and his head's looking in one way. So take this one and enjoy that moment of creativity that I want to really stand out and share with you. All right, I'm just making a little bit more details here and there, a little bit darker. Change the angle of the hand there. This could be a paw if it's an animal again, or it even could be an alien, space alien. All right, just about done with this one, and then follow it from this video. We're going to have a second pose right after this one, and here we go. So once again, I'm just going to be creating the basic shape, and I want you to finish the picture with your creation. All right, so this face he's kind of looking straight up. I'm going to have him walking. He's walking towards the left. Okay, I'm going to give him a little body, a little posture. And you can see his face is kind of looking up. There we go. Let's work on his little leg then. All right, I'm just using that inner circle there just to show that the leg, how thick it is. But again, you change it if it's an animal or some other type of, or even a robot. You can use this as a same model sheet to create anything you can imagine. Here's the other foot here. It's going to be kind of facing upwards. And you're going to see the underneath of the foot here. There we go. There's the leg. All right, let's get that body with the curvature there. So that's a curve here. The guidelines in his body, how he's actually walking. I'm looking at this. I could even think of making a duck out of this one as well. All right, here's his hand going to be in the air. And you could, with the hands flat on the top, let's make it. And you could have him holding a drink, a shake, or a pallet, or just walking right by. Checking out if it's raining. Okay, let's get his other arm up there now too. Okay, let's get the other side. There we go. So this is just a simple pose sketch that you can draw yourself and then take to a window and recreate it as your own little creation. All right, and just create that foot a little bit more. So you're going to have a little overlap. There it is. There it is. That's what I like. Good, good. A little bit more with the body, the angle of his legs there. And the back of the toe there, let's have that overlapping there. That's better, that's better. Like he's really squishing it down and walking. And his hand there, his elbow, and his shoulders hidden. That's his palm open, his thumb wide out. All right, let's get rid of his nose and his eyes right now. Okay, here's a nose and an eye, and there's the other eye. All right. Well, I hope you enjoy this video on teaching you how to draw a pose and change it to your technique. All right, thanks for watching the video. Have a great one. Our website, jmg-studio.biz. If you like this lesson, you'll find others like this on our site. We even have a store that has our drawing books and many other goodies. Thanks for the support.